Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Cybersecurity BD YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about MikroTik Backup and Restoring System. Here I will show you how to backup CLI and graphical mode. There is two types of backup in MikroTik router. One is RFI, which is RouterOS Information file, and second one is RSC, which is RouterOS Script configuration. So what is RFI? RFI stands for RouterOS Information file. It is binary file and obviously it is not human readable. For quick backup and restoring purpose with same model of router in this system is best. On the other hand, RSC file system is a script text-based file which is human readable, and for variety model types restoring purpose, this file system is effective because it can be modified by administrator as required. It is time consuming system too. So let's move on our MikroTik, and here I will show you how to backup those system and restore it. If you need to know more about this file system and usefulness, disadvantages, you can visit my blog, which link is available in my description box of the video. I have also added CLI command in the description box for your references. At first we will go MikroTik files. Here all memory will show and all backup file stored in the file. At first we will check the backup, and this will appear a box where need file name, password and encryption. If you want to give password, we can, but in my case I am not giving any password. After clicking backup, the file will be generated with .backup, which also RFI file. For CLI backup, we will copy the command and paste it on terminal, which is also RFI file that we have created earlier in GUI mode. I will give you those CLI command in description, so no worries. Look in the file name. The name is the same with which we have given in CLI. For RSC backup file, we will copy the CLI command and put it on terminal again and hit enter for execution the command. It will comparatively take more time to create backup file in script file. After created the backup file, we just drag the file from MikroTik to our desktop. For your case, it need to be transferred to MikroTik router. For execute this, and you have to do reverse, drag the file from your desktop or any folder from MikroTik file, and it will be on your files. Just click the right click the backup file and restore it. If anyone have any confusion, please knock me and request you to subscribe my channel. Thank you.